Hello students. Today I explain the topic Internet and their services. So the first thing before starting my topic, we go through the word Internet. Full form of the Internet is International Network. Comes from INTER. Inter means international and NET means network, international network. Now, you know international means involving more than one countries. Okay. Now network means when two or more computers are connected together to share their resources, means their data, to exchange and receive their data. You can see the diagram in front of you. Okay. Now see, what is Internet? Internet is a connection of several networks, means interconnection of computers and computer network using TCP/IP communication protocol. Now, what is protocol? Protocol is a set of rules. एक set of rules है जो define करता है कि system में communication कैसे establish होगा, कैसे होगा. तो protocol is a set of rules define communication between the system. See the diagram. How Internet and PC communicate with each other. How connection is established. Okay, see the diagram. Here, proxy server act as a gateway between you and the Internet. It also provides you a different level of functionality. Security and privacy depend on your use. See router. Router is a device that communicates between the Internet and the device. And how it works? It connects the device within a network by forwarding data packets between them, sending and receiving data from the device to the Internet. Facilities provided by the Internet means what are the services provided by the Internet? We will study here. There are many types of facilities provided by the Internet. E-banking, e-reservation, search engine. Then communication facility में आ जाएगा आपका chatting, video conferencing. Okay? तो e-banking पढ़ते हैं. Any person can withdraw money, transfer or exchange amount or know the balance by simple logging through internet. आप digitally आप online के through आप money send कर सकते हैं, transfer कर सकते हैं. Okay? Now e-reservation means आप online आप ticket books कर सकते हैं with the help of internet. Search engine. With the help of search engine you can search any kind of topic, any information by using keyword. Now chatting. Many types of communication apps are available in your phone also. It allows you to connect with the people in real time. Now, video conferencing. It is a communicating style in which two or more persons can see each other, can talk to each other by seeing each other. Means you can say that face-to-face communication. There are many apps available in your Play Store also. Phone Play Store. There are many ways to connect to the Internet. One of the initial ways is the dial-up connection. With the advancement in the communication technology, different types of technologies are now in use to connect to the Internet. Let's discuss. First is dial-up connection. The dial-up connection uses a modem that is hooked up to the computer and dials in using a phone line. See the diagram. Second one is DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. This is always connected to the Internet. So, you do not have to dial up to connect. Third, cable internet connection. Cable internet connection are possible through cable TV lines. It shares coaxial cables that you use to watch TV without affecting your TV's performance. Okay? Now fourth is Wireless internet connection. Hope you all are familiar with this. Wireless internet is one of the newest type of internet connection. It uses radio frequency to connect to the internet. Come to the next topic, search engine and web browser. Let me tell you, search engine is used to find out the information in the World Wide Web and displays the result at one's place. Example of search engines are Google, Yahoo, Bingo, etc. On the other hand, web browser uses the search engine to retrieve and view the information from web pages present on the web server. Example of web browser are Mozilla, Firefox, Netscape Navigator and Google Chrome. www means World Wide Web. Each web page has its own address which is called URL. मीन्स जो भी वेब पेज होगा वो आइडेंटिफाई और एक्सेस किसके द्वारा होगा, वेब सर्वर के थ्रू बाय देयर नेम. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल, www.yahoo.com. तो www. क्या करेगा, वेब पेज का एड्रेस को एसोसिएट करेगा. याहू क्या बताएगा, डोमेन नेम, कौन से डोमेन नेम आप यूज कर रहे हैं. लास्ट में आप .com लिख रहे हैं या .edu लिख रहे हैं, वट एवर यू आर राइटिंग, दैट इज द एक्सटेंशन. Okay, that is the extension which complete gives you the address of the website. See, websites are made from HTML, Flash, Photoshop, PHP and SQL, Dreamweaver server. Here HTML for developing basic web pages, Flash for animation in web pages, Photoshop for image editing, PHP and SQL is made for database connectivity and making dynamic web pages. Dreamweaver again developing web pages. Server location from where web pages are hosted. Lastly, different types of websites are available on the internet and their works are different from each other. For mailing, for shopping, for job search, for matrimonial, for searching, for social networking, for watching videos, for greeting, for songs, for videos, for SMS, for ticket booking, for gaming, for personal entertainment websites. I have listed some links. Just go through it. Okay? Thank you.